the bicycle that the pedal crank is cracking while pedaling. There is a pedal creak, and when you drive up a mountain, the creaks increase. Most likely the problem is in the pedal carriage and you need to disassemble it. In general, the problem was solved by itself. When I removed the seal and began to unscrew this bolt, it unscrewed very easily. This told me about the lack of a twisted bottom bracket bolt. I tightened the bottom bracket bolt with a special key. He also took out sewing oil and poured it inside the carriage. Before pouring oil, I thoroughly cleaned the bottom bracket. After that, the squeaks on the pedals disappeared. For prevention, now after the trip, it is necessary to tighten the bolt of the pedal carriage again. It is also desirable to turn the second pedal, for full control of both pedals. We take a gas key to help. Now the pedal should not creak. If it creaks inside the pedal needs to be changed, or the bearings of the old pedal need to be lubricated. We take the key at 17 and unscrew the pedal clockwise. Now the pedal has been changed. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel. All the best, goodbye.